Have you ever wondered why some people instantly win others over, while others are constantly ignored? It's not just about being smart or rich, it's about understanding people. Today, we're unlocking the timeless wisdom from one of the most powerful books ever written, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, a book that's helped millions, leaders, business people, and ordinary folks transform their relationships forever. Let's begin. 1. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. When you criticize someone, they don't change. They defend themselves. Criticism wounds pride and breeds resentment. Example, instead of saying, "You're always late," say, "Hey, everything okay? I noticed you've been running late lately." Gentleness creates cooperation. Blame builds walls. 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Every human being craves appreciation. When you give it sincerely, people shine. Example, your work in the last meeting really helped us move forward. Thank you. A kind word can change someone's day or their life. 3. Arouse in the other person an eager want. People care about what they want, not what you want. Example, instead of saying, "I need this done," say, "Your help here will really move this project forward. It'll make a big difference." Make them see what's in it for them. 4. Become genuinely interested in other people. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Example, ask about their weekend, their family, their passions. Be present, be curious. Genuine interest is rare and powerful. 5. Smile. It costs nothing but gives everything. Example, a smile at the beginning of a conversation opens doors that words alone never could. The simplest way to brighten any room, just smile. 6. Remember that a person's name is the sweetest sound. Using someone's name makes them feel seen and valued. Example, "Thank you, Sarah," feels warmer than just thanks. Names matter. Use them with care. 7. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. People love to be heard. Listening is an act of love. Example, ask, "How did that feel?" or "Tell me more about it." Then truly listen. You don't need to be interesting, just be interested. 8. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. Speak their language. Connect with what they care about. Example, if they love cricket, talk about the last match before the meeting begins. It's not manipulation, it's connection. 9. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Let them feel like they matter because they do. Example, "I noticed the extra effort you put in. It didn't go unseen. What you recognize grows." 10. The only way to win an argument is to avoid it. Even if you win the argument, you might lose the person. Example, instead of "You're wrong," say, "That's an interesting point. Mind if I share my take?" Peace is better than pride. 11. Show respect for the other person's opinions. Never say "You're wrong." Correction creates resistance. Respect opens minds. Example, "I used to see it that way too. Then I came across another perspective." It's not about who's right. It's about moving forward. 12. If you are wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. Owning up takes courage and earns respect. Example, "I was completely wrong about that. Thanks for pointing it out." People forgive easily when you're honest first. 13. Begin in a friendly way. A warm tone can melt cold resistance. Example, start with a smile and a light comment before discussing serious matters. It softens the ground before you plant your words. 14. Get the other person saying yes immediately. Start with agreement. It builds momentum. Example, "We both want the best result, right?" Yes leads to yes and then to trust. 15. Let the other person do most of the talking. Give them space. Let their voice be heard. Example, ask open-ended questions, then listen without interrupting. It's not about dominating. It's about discovering. 16. Let the other person feel the idea is theirs. People support what they help create. Example, what do you think is the best way forward? Involvement leads to commitment. 17. Try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. Walk in their shoes. Feel what they feel. Example, I can imagine that must have been frustrating for you. Empathy is not weakness. It's wisdom. 18. Be sympathetic to the other person's ideas and desires. Acknowledging their feelings builds trust. Example, anyone would feel upset in that situation. I get it. Validation opens the door to cooperation. 19. Appeal to the nobler motives. Remind people of their higher self. Example, you're someone who always stands up for what's fair. I admire that. People rise to the version of themselves you believe in. 20. Dramatize your ideas. Make your message unforgettable. Example, don't just say, "We lost money." Say, "We burned $10,000 last week." Drama sticks. Use it wisely. 21. Throw down a challenge. People love a good challenge. It awakens their best. Example, let's see if we can beat our record this week together. Challenge inspires greatness. 22nd. Begin with praise and honest appreciation. Lead with light before offering correction. Example, "You're always so detailed. Just one small tweak needed here." Praise first, then suggest. 23. Call attention to mistakes. Indirectly. Don't shame. Guide gently. Example, "Maybe we can double check this section together." Subtlety saves dignity. 24. Talk about your own mistakes before criticizing others. Show that you're human too. Example, "I made the same error last month. It's easy to miss." Humility opens hearts. 25. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. Questions invite cooperation. Example, "Could we look at another option here?" instead of change it. Nobody likes being told. They like being asked. 26. Let the other person save face. Never embarrass someone. Protect their pride. Example, offer corrections privately, never in front of others. Respect lives in silence. 27. Praise the slightest improvement and praise every improvement. Even small wins matter. Example, that's a big improvement in formatting. Great job adjusting so quickly. Catch them doing something right. 28. Give the other person a fine reputation to live up. To set the standard, then believe in them. Example, you've always been dependable. I'm counting on you again. They will become who you believe they are. 29. Use encouragement. Make the fault seem easy to correct. Make mistakes feel fixable. Example, that's a small thing. We'll get it sorted in no time. Hope is more powerful than pressure. 30. Make the other person happy about doing what you suggest. Let them enjoy saying yes. Example, this task plays right into your strengths. It's yours if you want it. Inspiration beats obligation. Apply even 5 of these 30 principles and you'll be someone others love to be around. Apply all of them and you'll be unforgettable. Which one will you start with today? If this helped you, like and subscribe for more life-changing book breakdowns.